Quick little PC build. J-Woo.
What's good? Fuck, I died.
We need a spot, man. We finna go down.
We gonna get active. It's gonna get wicked.
I hope it don't get wicked. No. We need this shit to work. This is gonna be my third PC build. If my CPU's fucked up again, I know it's just me, bro. Product review, you know what I'm saying? Your little 850W power reviews. Goddamn. Oh shit. Master Liquid. Racist.
That's clean. That's clean. Better than my fucking ones.
So goddamn. I did a little unboxing yesterday and then just said fuck it. I deleted the video. I got so mad that I didn't have thermal paste.
I mean, I would too.
Yeah, but I gotta get some patience, man. You see the 3080, just the big boy, big body, big belly.
T.I.
Oh yeah, TI. I ain't talking about tip. Same Atlanta. Little Prime Z690. P for penis. Already open. But you see the... Oh! Jesus Christ. You see the goddamn... You see it, man. I ain't gotta say it. And then I got the Vengeance. And then, you know, had to black the WD. Blacked raw, by the way. It gets dark in here. Yeah, this came with comes with some fans, RGB'd.
Oh, that's dope.
They thought that was kind of cool for this. They was.
Yeah. Yeah.
Jesus Christ, bro. You can move that shit. Just throw that up. Jesus Christ. Alright, buddy. Part 2 of this bullshit. I don't have no idea. Oh, the capture card. There you go. That's where I would put it. Because right now on my other one, I don't have. This one is right under the GPU area.
Yeah.
So I have to put it in one of these, and it's like really loose. And it's right under the GPU, so every time my GPU fans come on, it like clicks. So I have to like make sure it doesn't.
I got you.
But,
Oh, that's annoying.
yeah, but I had to like tie it in the back, so it wouldn't ding. But M.2. Should I put the CPU in last?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna put everything in there first. Okay, cool.
We did mine first.
Yeah. CPU last. I just put all the M.2 stuff in and shit. Ultra steel?
Non-magnetic.
Yeah, not magnetic. This shit sucks.
I should have brought mine.
Fuck it. Jesus Christ. I could not be a doctor, bro. Patient's dead.
Not with that. Those hands.
Shiki warrior.
Jesus.
I thought it was white, but it's silver and it makes it better.
Yeah. Take that shit off.
Yeah. Remove. Let me just.
I can't believe we didn't do that. Come on.
That probably fucked it up, honestly. I'll take the blame for that. You sent it
Can I
back.
take the check?
Huh?
No, bro, I didn't call him. How do you set my broken phone back?
Just like fuck it, bro. That money would hit though. I still got a trash bag. Oh, I can still pass it without. No, you got the same thing. I like this is kind of like red. Did this come with a screw? Oh wait. Put the RAM in, the CPU, the M.2. We're finna get real nasty now, so you might be camera for a little bit. You ready?
All right.
I'm smoking Riz?
We tried yesterday, Z, at the gym. Anytime you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. Oh, Lord. This man cannot be a doctor.
Chill on me, bro. Hey, this is not an instructional video. Don't come here looking for no fucking, hey, you put this in the da-da-ba-dee-bee-da-boo. No, I'm not doing that shit. Jesus Christ.
everybody do your share. Clean up, everybody everywhere. Clean up, everybody do your share. Clean up, everybody everywhere. Clean up, everybody everywhere. Clean up, everybody do your share. Clean up, everybody everywhere. Clean up, everybody do your share. Clean up, everybody everywhere. Clean up, everybody do your share. Clean up, everybody everywhere. Clean up, everybody do your share. Clean up, everybody everywhere. Clean up, everybody do your share. Clean up, everybody everywhere. Clean up, everybody do your share. Clean up, everybody everywhere. Clean up, everybody do your share. Clean up, everybody everywhere. Clean up, everybody do your share. Clean up, everybody everywhere. Clean up, everybody do your share. Clean up, everybody everywhere. Clean up, everybody do your share. Clean up, everybody everywhere. Clean up, everybody do your share. Clean up, everybody everywhere. Clean up, everybody do your share. Clean up, everybody.
First try. This is hitting. This is the second try on. The RGB. I fixed this RGB as well. On God, look. On God, I got it working. Fuck me. J Woo in the spot. Don't make it hot. Dolo in the spot. Make it hot just a little bit. You know, with the little PC. W cameraman, W friend.
Thank you.
He did this shit for the free ski.
Never charging friends.
Yeah, man, you don't charge friends, man. Goddamn. Like, subscribe, share. This on the vlog channel, you know, the IRL channel. I might start cooking when I move out the spot, you know. Get a new crib tour. Damn, I'm spoiling. My fault. Any words?
It was a long process, but it turned out beautiful.
That's it?
Camera on me now.
That's it?
Yeah.
All right, man, we out.